Meanwhile, two of the world's biggest airlines will trial fast-track lanes at Heathrow Airport for fully vaccinated arrivals. The trial, due to start this weekend, will allow passengers who are fully vaccinated and are traveling on selected flights to Heathrow from Athens, Los Angeles, Montego Bay, and New York to show proof of their vaccination status. Here's Kathleen Eusebio for that report. Kathleen?
Here's an update in the United Kingdom. London's Heathrow Airport said Wednesday it plans to offer fast-track lanes for fully vaccinated arriving passengers as the UK government winds down its pandemic curbs. The government is expected to announce on Thursday that travellers coming to England from amber countries, the middle ranking for COVID-19 incidents covering most of Europe, will no longer have to quarantine. In advance, Heathrow said it was launching a pilot plan for passengers coming from selected destinations to enter an immigration fast-track on arrival, after showing proof they have received both doses of coronavirus vaccine. The trial will initially cover passengers flying in on designated flights from Athens, Los Angeles, Montego Bay, and Jamaica, and New York. July 19 is the government's target date for lifting most pandemic restrictions in England, although many scientists are worried about the plan as infection rates soar from the more contagious Delta variant. The government, however, says a successful mass vaccination program has weakened the link connecting infections to hospitalizations and deaths. More than 86% of adults in the UK have received at least one jab, and 64% are fully vaccinated, according to official data. Health Secretary Sahid Javid on Tuesday said people in England who have been double jabbed, as well as under 18s, will no longer have to self-isolate if they have been in contact with someone who tests positive for COVID-19. But the easing will only apply from August 16, almost a month after other controls are due to have ended. The UK's other nations, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland, set their own health policy and are moving more slowly. Javid conceded that daily infection rates in Britain, which has one of Europe's worst death tolls from COVID-19, were set to treble to 100% in the weeks ahead due to the Delta variant. Johnson insisted we will continue with a balanced and reasonable approach, as he accused the Labour leader of vacillating over when to start moving back to normality. Reporting from London, United Kingdom, I'm Kathleen Eusebio. We live in interesting times.